The 2025 Tesla Model Y is here, and it's better than ever. Packed with power, tech, and sleek design, it's a game-changer in the electric SUV market. The exterior of the 2025 Tesla Model Y reflects a perfect balance of style and function. Starting with the engine, it's powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers instant torque and superb acceleration. With a power horse of up to 450 horsepower in the performance variant, the Model Y can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, giving you speed without sacrificing efficiency. The front fascia retains the clean, minimalistic Tesla design, with a smooth nose and no traditional grille, keeping airflow optimized and drag low. The headlights are sharp, adaptive LED units that provide excellent nighttime visibility and contribute to the futuristic look. The bumper has been refined slightly in this update for a sleeker appearance. Moving to the wheels, Tesla offers several alloy options ranging from 19 to 21 inches, enhancing performance and giving a sporty edge. From the side view, the silhouette remains aerodynamic with clean lines and slightly flared wheel arches that add to the SUV stance. The side glass features UV protection and acoustic insulation, keeping the cabin cool and quiet. Around the back, the Model Y sports a revised tail light design with a sharper glow signature, making it more noticeable on the road. The rear bumper has also been smoothed out for better airflow. The door handles are flush, and they pop out when touched, maintaining the vehicle's clean lines and high-tech vibe. Every inch of the Model Y's exterior is designed for performance, range, and head-turning aesthetics, making it one of the best-looking EVs in the market today. Step inside the 2025 Tesla Model Y and you're immediately immersed in a tech-rich and spacious cabin that speaks modern luxury. The dashboard is a clean, clutter-free design dominated by a massive 15-inch horizontal LCD touchscreen that controls nearly all the vehicle's functions. From climate to navigation, entertainment to autopilot features, it's your central command center. The materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces and new optional wood or metallic trims. The side doors have deep pockets for storage, soft leather padding, and minimalist door controls for a seamless design. The gear selector remains mounted on the steering column in true Tesla style, making it intuitive and freeing up console space. The start button, there isn't one, just step inside with your phone key, press the brake, and drive. The steering wheel itself is updated with a sportier design, featuring haptic feedback buttons for quick access to media, autopilot, and more. The front seats are well cushioned, heated, and now come with optional ventilation. In the back, the seats offer excellent legroom and reclining ability, making long trips far more comfortable for passengers. A new foldable table between the rear seats allows for mobile work or lunch on the go, Tesla's nod to practicality. Cargo space is one of Model Y's strongest points, offering 76 cubic feet when rear seats are folded. The front trunk, or frunk, provides additional secure storage. This interior isn't just about looking good, it's about being functional, smart, and incredibly comfortable for drivers and passengers alike. The 2025 Tesla Model Y starts at approximately $47,990 for the base variant and goes up to around $58,990 for the performance model. With federal tax incentives, long-term fuel savings, and over-the-air updates, it offers exceptional value for an electric SUV in its class. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and tech-packed SUV with long-range capabilities and bold design, the 2025 Tesla Model Y is your answer. Experience the future of driving. Today, subscribe, like, and follow Turbo Excel for more EV reviews and updates.